Yeah, I think it's probably, I mean, if it's a single game throughout the regular season, those are fairly easy conversations. A lineup change that is going to stick in the regular season is harder. I think all our guys are experienced enough to know that when the playoffs come around, you do anything you can to beat that opponent. And one series may be very different from the last one with regard to who's playing. And I feel like those conversations are easier in the playoffs because of that dynamic and because of the experience that we have with our group.